Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is BLR 14 series of rental income houses where the owner can stay in one unit and get rental income from the other houses. It is located in JP Nagar BDA layout off Bannagatta Road and Kanakpura Road. Fully developed locality, 30 by 40 east facing BDA site with Kaveri water, own borewell, 30 feet wide tar road. Very nice locality, close to all civic amenities. Ground floor, car parking and 1 BHK. Granite flooring inside outside, semi-furnished with all the interior work. Final finishing, painting, polishing and bathroom fittings will be provided before handing over. First floor, 2 BHK spacious unit where the owner can stay. Above 2 BHK, 1 BHK in second floor. Third floor also 2 BHK, 1 BHK. Fourth floor 1 BHK and terrace. So I will show you everything in detail. Let's see the main house where the owner can stay. So east facing side, north facing door, right in the northeast corner entrance, large balcony 4 feet wide that can be covered and secured with safety grill. So the moment you enter, you can see big living room with beautiful false ceiling work. As it is owner unit, it is very spacious, full floor, one single house. This is puja room. Lift option is there in this building actually. If required, lift can be installed. Owner is willing to provide. If you are serious about buying this, that can be discussed. So from living, this is a dining area. L-shaped living and dining. Kitchen is in the southeast corner. Granite platform, sink, baskets, storage cabinets, 4 feet wall tiles. And next to this, utility area. This is utility. Ground plus 3 floors above 1 BHK is also there. Totally 4 1 BHK, all are identical. I will show you one single 1 BHK so that you will get an idea for all the houses. 2 BHK 3 units. Out of that, this is a large one. 2 small 2 BHKs. So in the southwest corner, Kuber Mule, this is master bedroom. Measuring 14 by 12 feet. And additional wardrobe area, dressing, bathroom, wall mounted toilet, concealed flush tank, shower, diverter, hand wash basin. All the fittings will be provided. Jaguar, Hindware and Serra make. Wooden windows, 2 side laminates inside outside. All premium quality fixtures and fittings, branded plywood with all warranty. Even the doors are ready-made doors with warranty. Cylindrical locks. This is another bedroom, 11 by 13. False ceiling is done. AC points are there. And all 3 side buildings are there. Right side, left side, back side. So what you are looking at is all natural light and ventilation. This is common bathroom. Even the common bathroom will have premium fittings. So this was first floor. Ground floor, you have not seen the 1 BHK, but I will show you the same model above. As I told, all 1 BHK, totally 4 in the building, all are identical. So we have reached second floor now. Second floor, 1 BHK and 2 BHK, 2 houses. And talking about rent, this 1 BHK in this area will get you about 9 to 10,000 rental income per month. It can be rented out 9 to 10,000 easily. So this is a 1 BHK with north facing door in the northeast corner entrance. Teakwood doors, all doors are teakwood. Granite flooring. Separate puja room with teakwood door. And kitchen in the southeast with cabinets, 4 feet dadoing. Granite platform. Stainless steel sink will be fitted. Next to the main door, only that grill you can see, right side, that is going to be UPVC. Rest all other windows are wooden windows. This is the master bedroom in the southwest corner. 10.5 by 13 feet. Sliding door for the wardrobe. Dressing mirror will be fitted. And there is a common bathroom. Here washing machine. And this is the bathroom. Wall mounted toilet, shower, diverter, hand wash basin, waterproof door for the bathroom. So all 4 1 BHKs are identical. 9 to 10,000 rental income from 1 BHK. And 2 smaller 2 BHK units roadside facing. So along with 1 BHK, this is 2 BHK in second floor. Second and third floor both are identical. 2 BHK plus 1 BHK. So this is a smaller 2 BHK unit. At current rate, this one will get you about 15,000 rent per month easily. 15,000 monthly rent. If you are not going to stay in this building, the below 2 BHK larger unit will get you about 18 to 20,000 rent per month. You need to give car parking along with that house. Rest all the other houses 15,000, 9,000, 10,000 what I am telling is without car parking. With only two-wheeler parking you can get this much of rent. So this 2 BHK is north facing door, southeast kitchen, hall, dining is not there, fridge point is there, dedicated puja room, common bathroom, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom and 2 bedrooms. At the end of the video, floor plan is included in the video itself, so you can refer the floor plan. Slight changes have been made, slight improvements have been made from the floor plan. So just for your reference, I have included the floor plan within the video itself. So this is 1 common bathroom. All fittings will be there. Outside washing machine point. So this is kitchen again. And this is the second bedroom. Wardrobes with sliding doors. If you notice, main door and puja room have solid teakwood doors. So that makes a lot of difference when it comes to pricing actually. If you make normal plywood puja room or teakwood puja room, the cost of construction goes up. Very comfortable steps. The landing space is more, so very comfortable to climb up. Now we have reached third floor. Third floor both are identical as I mentioned, second and third floor. 1 BHK and 2 BHK. Now we'll go to the terrace floor. This is terrace floor. As I mentioned, same 1 BHK like what you have seen below. In place of 2 BHK, open terrace has been given. So in place of 2 BHK, you can see open terrace. Pillar based construction, solid cement blocks. BDA property with approved plan. So this is a working plan for your reference. During the construction, many things were improved from this plan. So this is not exact plan. First you will see the ground floor plan in this along with parking. Then second and third floor typical plan. Then you will see the first floor plan. Few changes have been done. Improvements. So this is BLR 14 what you are looking at, located in JP Nagar. If you are looking for investment, other houses in BLR series are available. Many are sold out, like BLR 1, BLR 5, BLR 11, BLR 9 got sold out recently. But other options are there, like BLR 10 is available, BLR 12 is available, BLR 6 is still available. Also BLR 13 which is going to come up soon, similar to BLR 12. So this is a very good property in a developed locality. Please read the description for complete details. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.